Hello and welcome to another Excel tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to combine data validation and the Hlookup formula in order to create an interactive Excel dashboard along with a drop-down menu in which a graphic automatically changes based on an input cell. So basically we have something like this, a yellow indicated input cell in which we can change the data, and according to the changes in the input cell, the graph automatically changes. For this I've prepared some data. In this case I have 3 different US treasuries, 30-year, 1-year and 10-year US government bonds, and I would like to visualize them, but not all at once, but rather with the help of a drop-down menu in which we can select which one to show at a single instance in time. So in order to do that, first of all, the easy part, we need data validation. And in this case, you can go to the Data tab, Data Validation, select List, because we want to select a list. And the source is basically the headers of our US treasuries, of our data. As you can see, now we can select between 30-year, 1-year and 10-year US government bonds. Let's just select this one. And for the data accordingly, we will use the Hlookup formula. But in order to do that, first of all, we have to number all of the different rows, and starting with 2. The first row is just the headers, so we would like to display the data, and the data starts in the second row. It will be more apparent once we use the formula. So just drag it down or double click. And then we use Hlookup. And now you have the lookup value, which we will fix. Then we have the table array, where you have to select the complete array. Actually, this would be enough without the dates. And for me, it's I think 5,500 rows long. Just be sure that you include all of the rows. If you have too many, it doesn't really matter in this instance. Just fix them as well. And now we get to the row index, because based on this value, we would like to show the next data point, or the first data point that accords to this value, to the input value. And because in this case it starts in the second row of the data, so the first row is the headers, the second row is the first row of the data, we would like to show the second row index. We do not fix this. And last but not least, select false. And of course I did something wrong. It is B3. There you go. As you can see, this is 6.09% here as well. And if we change that, we get the according value. Now we just drag it down. And basically, we already have done the drop-down menu. We have selected the lookup values. Only thing we need to do now is select the whole range of data that we have. Go to Insert. You can use whatever you want. In this case, I'm going to use this one. Cut it out. Go to the top row. Paste it in here. And what I've done as well is, if I go to chart designs, never mind, change chart type, I have a template which is called single variable, where I already have the right color. The header is this one though. Have to select the data, give the new name, it should be this one. there we go. Whoop, we do not actually, for some reason. Whatever, not really that important right now, but as you can see, when we select the input value, the graph also changes. What you can do now, because you don't really need this anymore, you can just hide it. You can also have this in a separate worksheet or workbook, whatever you prefer. And this would be all of our dashboard. So, if this tutorial helped you, please consider liking and subscribing. And in any case, have a great week. Bye bye.